Whether it's shopping carts, door demons, or kids, dings and dents are gonna happen. And nothing could be worse than watching your expensive new car as it starts to look like the old one you just replaced. Not to mention the dramatic drop in value caused by those small dings. You want your car always looking like new. With Auto Armor's Enhanced Protection Plan, the Paintless Dent Repair Program will help keep your vehicle looking like new. This program allows for repairs to remove minor dents and dings without harm to the vehicle's factory finish, utilizing paintless dent repair techniques. Repair work can be completed with little inconvenience to you. We'll dispatch service to you at your home or business. Similar service at a general auto body shop can cost you hundreds, even thousands per repair. Protect your vehicle from minor dings and dents and keep your car looking great with Auto Armor's Paintless Dent Repair Program. Ask your dealer about it today.